Okay, first, so I repeated the question, then I show you how it is done. Introduction of dummy variables. Because normally, apart from the CJ, we have four equations. Although normally the x1, x2, and x3, since it's simplest algorithm, but it's four equations because the other s is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see what's next. After putting it, obviously, in each equation, apart from the CJ on which each will be 0, the way I arrange it when I say 1, 0, 0, 0, and the rest. I remember what I said before. Any one that you did not see number in the letter is actually the one with 1. It will reflect in the table. Now, from the way I even showed it before, you would see it how to get the key row, checking all the rows, saying the one with the highest positive value, the key column, and the key row is the one with, when you test it with that quantity column, the one with the, when you divide it with it, the one with the lowest smallest positive number. And then you can see the key number is the one where both of them meet, which is 1. Anyway, you can see how I was actually demonstrating. If you take your time and check, the explanations are there. You will see it, how each are gotten the new row, the new this, and apart from the one we're replacing, which is S1 with X3. Then you can see as for restructured, new table from this whole work that we have done. But now take your time to look at the calculations, and if they are not optimal, you will know, because all the Cj minus Zj will not be 0. Anyway, so when you look at this very well, it shows you how to get each. Like you see in that last table, I intentionally did not put Zj step by step, and now I'm showing you how I'll get the Zj. Right, you can see it there about the column, whatever, for new column, new row. Then very soon after that, I prepared the table. You can see it there. The Zj is there, but the Cj minus Zj is not there, which I'm about to show you next. So you can see how we got the Cj minus Zj. It's just very easy. Very easy, because you can see how, the column, how we minus it, which is actually the Cj up minus each of the Zj in those columns. And when you look at it, take your time, you will see this. You will see this. Now my work might have mistake, but we are not perfect. But the thing is, I don't think there is. But if you look at it very clear, you can see now the Cj minus Zj is there. And since all the Zj was 0 for 1 to derive, all the Cj retained. Now looking at the one you said you were taught on the board, I believe you can, try and handle it now, because this one looks lesser and you understand how some things now are gotten. So anyway, that is the thing about Simplex Algorithm. Kudos to Papa Emma for teaching this. Just because the topic says Simplex Algorithm does not mean you just get it simple. It's LPP. It's not like the normal linear programming that you use x1 and x2 and it's 2 variables. This one is 4, 3. So anyway, that is it. Bye.